Welcome back to ChatGPT Insights, your ultimate source for breaking AI news. The pace of innovation never stops, and today we're diving headfirst into a whirlwind of groundbreaking developments that are reshaping the future as we speak. Get ready for massive funding rounds, revolutionary coding tools, and seismic shifts in the tech landscape that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. This is where the future unfolds, and you're getting the inside track right here, right now. Don't blink, because the AI world is moving at warp speed, and we've got the essential updates to keep you ahead of the curve. From staggering valuations to the very tools that build tomorrow, buckle up for a high-octane episode that's packed with information you need to know. We're kicking things off with a massive financial surge that's setting new records in the AI space, revealing just how much confidence investors have in the future of artificial intelligence. Then, we're exploring a revolutionary new approach to coding that promises to change the way software is built forever, making development more intuitive and powerful than ever before. Next, we'll dive into the escalating AI arms race, examining how major players are making colossal investments and the implications for global technological dominance. Finally, we'll unpack a powerful new tool designed to streamline code modernization, helping businesses tackle technical debt and accelerate their digital transformation. Stay with us, because the insights you're about to receive are truly game-changing. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from ChatGPT Insights. AI funding frenzy. Anthropic secures $13 billion. Valuation skyrockets to $183 billion. In a seismic shift that underscores the explosive growth and investor confidence in artificial intelligence, Anthropic, a formidable rival to OpenAI founded by former senior leaders, has successfully closed its Series F funding round, securing a staggering $13 billion. This monumental investment propels the company's post-money valuation to an astonishing $183 billion, tripling its previous valuation and cementing its status as a dominant force in the AI landscape. The funding round was spearheaded by the prominent growth equity firm ICO Capital, with significant co-lead participation from industry giants Fidelity and Lightspeed Venture Partners. The round also saw a broad spectrum of influential investors, including Altimeter, Baillie Gifford, funds associated with BlackRock, Singapore's sovereign wealth fund GIC, Goldman Sachs Growth Fund, Qatar's sovereign wealth fund, the Ontario Teachers' Pension Plan, and TPG, signaling widespread belief in Anthropic's trajectory. This latest capital infusion ranks among the largest ever recorded in the AI sector, positioning Anthropic as the fourth most valuable startup globally, trailing only industry titans like OpenAI, SpaceX, and ByteDance. The substantial funds are earmarked for critical advancements in AI safety research, ambitious global expansion of its AI platforms, and the accelerated development of its next-generation frontier models. Anthropic, established in 2021, was last valued at $61.5 billion in March 2025, having raised $3.5 billion in a round led by Lightspeed Venture Partners. At that time, its annual revenue run rate stood at approximately $1 billion. Demonstrating remarkable momentum, this figure surged to $5 billion by August 2025, a testament to the escalating demand for its sophisticated AI models and its increasingly competitive stance against major players like OpenAI. The company's flagship product, the Claude chatbot, renowned for its exceptional coding and problem-solving capabilities, has garnered widespread adoption among businesses seeking to integrate advanced AI into their operations. While OpenAI has often focused on consumer-facing products, Anthropic, with backing from tech giants such as Amazon and Google, has primarily targeted the enterprise market by offering its AI models as a service. Early projections suggest Anthropic anticipates its revenue could reach as high as $34.5 billion by 2027, reflecting ambitious growth targets. Anthropic now serves over 300,000 business customers, and our number of large accounts, customers that each represent over $100,000 in run rate revenue, has grown nearly 7x in the past year. Meanwhile, Developers have made Claude Code their tool of choice since its full launch in May 2025. Claude Code has quickly taken off, already generating over $500 million in run-rate revenue, with usage growing more than 10x in just 3 months, stated the AI firm, highlighting significant traction in both enterprise and developer markets. Despite this robust financial performance and rapid growth, Anthropic, like many AI companies, continues to face substantial operational costs, including computing power, data processing, and the recruitment of top-tier research talent, and is not yet profitable. The company has also encountered legal challenges, including a lawsuit from Reddit in June 2025 alleging unauthorized use of content for AI training, and a class action lawsuit filed in August 2024 by authors citing the use of pirated book content for training its AI models. This colossal investment signals a major moment for AI development. Up next, we're diving deep into how AI is revolutionizing the very act of coding itself. Claude Code, the dawn of agentic programming and a new era for developers. The landscape of software development is undergoing a profound metamorphosis, moving beyond traditional coding practices to embrace intelligent, autonomous systems. Boris Cherny, the architect behind Anthropic's Claude Code, powerfully articulated this shift, stating, "Now when you code, you use an agent. You don't directly manipulate text in an IDE anymore. It's not just about tab, it's about the model writing code for you." This declaration encapsulates the fundamental change in how engineers interact with code, transitioning from direct manipulation to a collaborative partnership with AI agents. In a recent discussion, Cherny, alongside Alex Albert of Anthropic, illuminated the present and future of agentic coding. They detailed the evolutionary path of coding models and underscored the inherent hackability of Claude Code, offering invaluable insights for founders, venture capitalists, and AI professionals navigating this dynamic domain. Cherny vividly recalled the not-so-distant past when AI's role in coding was confined to basic autocomplete suggestions and copy-pasting chat responses. He asserts that this era is definitively over. The emergence of sophisticated AI agents has fundamentally altered the paradigm, shifting the focus from direct text interaction to a more hands-off approach. Developers now articulate objectives to an agent, entrusting it with the execution of complex code modifications and even the generation of entire applications. This represents a monumental leap, elevating AI from a mere assistant to an indispensable component of the development workflow. Cherny attributes this transformative advancement to 2 pivotal factors that previously constrained AI in coding: the limitations of underlying model capabilities and the absence of adequate scaffolding, or harnessing, the essential tools and context management systems built around the AI models. He draws an analogy to a saddle for a horse, emphasizing that without this crucial interface, even the most powerful AI model cannot be effectively guided. The past year has seen a remarkable co-evolution of both the core models, such as Claude 3.7 and 4, and the Claude Code harness itself, dramatically enhancing their capacity for agentic coding tasks. This continuous refinement is significantly fueled by an organic, internal feedback loop within Anthropic. The Claude Code feedback channel internally is just a fire hose, Cherny remarked, highlighting the constant influx of insights from researchers and engineers who utilize Claude Code on a daily basis. This immediate, real-world application facilitates the rapid identification of model limitations and areas for harness improvement, fostering a unique cycle of coevolution. A cornerstone of Claude Code's design philosophy is its inherent hackability, achieved through the utilization of Claude MD files, MCP servers, and user-defined /commands, enabling extensive customization. Looking ahead, Cherny envisions agentic coding evolving beyond discrete tasks to encompass higher-level strategic objectives. He anticipates a future where developers define overarching goals, and Claude proactively engages in reviewing, implementing, and even debugging the associated code. "It's a lot more about the idea now than it is about the details," Cherny explained, emphasizing that the code itself becomes secondary to the value of the underlying concept. For individuals preparing for this future, a strong foundation in compilers, runtimes, programming languages, and system design remains critical. However, the ultimate competitive advantage will stem from embracing creativity, as the barriers to bringing innovative ideas to fruition are significantly diminished. This paradigm shift is already impacting how we think about building software. Prepare for the next segment as we delve into the escalating financial battles in the AI arena. Anthropic's valuation soars to $170 billion amidst intense AI competition. In a breathtaking display of market confidence and the escalating intensity of the global AI arms race, Anthropic, the creator of the Claude AI model, has seen its valuation surge dramatically from $60 billion to an astounding $170 billion in less than a year. This remarkable ascent was fueled by a massive $13 billion funding round, led by industry stalwarts Iconic Capital, Lightspeed, and Fidelity, with significant participation from major sovereign wealth funds, including Singapore's GIC and Qatar Investment Authority. This substantial influx of capital positions Anthropic as a key player in the ongoing AI gold rush, attracting significant investment from global financial powers. The company's financial performance has been equally impressive, with its run rate revenue climbing from $1 billion to $5 billion within the same year. Anthropic now boasts over 300,000 enterprise customers, each contributing at least $100,000 annually. Krishna Rao, Anthropic's CFO, highlighted this growth, stating, "We are seeing exponential growth in demand across our entire customer base. This financing demonstrates investors' extraordinary confidence in our financial performance and the strength of their collaboration with us to continue fueling our unprecedented growth." This rapid expansion mirrors the frenzied activity in the AI sector, often compared to the dot-com boom of the late 1990s, with companies investing heavily in infrastructure and talent. While OpenAI captured public imagination with ChatGPT, Anthropic has quietly become the preferred tool for many developers, lauded not only for its coding prowess, but also as an indispensable writing assistant and problem solver. The company's Claude model is actively used by Fortune 500 companies and individual developers alike for a wide array of tasks, from script writing and server configuration to complex code analysis and plugin development. The immense financial backing and rapid adoption are occurring against a backdrop of substantial operational costs, including massive compute power, extensive data processing, and the recruitment of specialized AI talent. Despite these expenditures, the underlying technology's tangible benefits, such as accelerated software development and debugging, are undeniable, demonstrating real-world productivity gains. The influx of sovereign wealth funds from Qatar and Singapore into Anthropic's funding round signifies that AI is increasingly viewed not just as a technological advancement, but as a strategic asset intertwined with national security and geopolitical influence, akin to a new space race. This trend suggests a convergence of venture capital, technological ambition, and global power dynamics. The AI sector as a whole is characterized by significant financial outlays, with companies investing billions in the hope of future profitability. Analysts estimate that the industry will need to generate approximately $600 billion in revenue to offset current AI spending. Anthropic's substantial valuation and ongoing development, including the recent release of Claude Opus 4.1 with enhanced capabilities like million-token contexts and improved memory functions, reflect a bold bet on its ability to navigate this high-stakes environment and capitalize on the AI revolution. The tangible progress and product shipments suggest that this AI boom is grounded in functional technology, differentiating it from previous speculative bubbles. These massive investments highlight the escalating competition and the sheer scale of the AI revolution. Coming up, we'll look at a tool designed to help businesses tackle their technical debt and modernize their code bases. Modernize your code base with Claude Code, accelerating digital transformation. Claude Code is emerging as a pivotal solution for enterprises aiming to modernize their legacy code bases, facilitating scalable migration while rigorously preserving the integrity of essential business logic. This advanced AI tool uniquely combines sophisticated code generation capabilities with a deep understanding of existing code structures and robust enterprise-grade security protocols, fundamentally transforming how organizations approach the critical task of code modernization and the mitigation of technical debt. The platform excels in performing comprehensive dependency mapping and assisting in the implementation of incremental refactoring strategies, all while ensuring that human oversight remains integral to the process. Claude Code seamlessly integrates with existing continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD, pipelines, version control systems, and established development workflows, guaranteeing adherence to enterprise-grade security standards and compliance requirements. By leveraging proven methodologies for modernization and refactoring, Claude Code accelerates the time to value for businesses seeking to update their technological infrastructure and eliminate accumulated technical debt. Claude Code enhances every phase of the modernization journey. Through its ecosystem partners, it offers comprehensive solutions designed to further expedite the delivery of value. Specific functionalities include the generation of dependency graphs, identification of redundant or unused code, and prioritization of refactoring efforts based on metrics like code complexity and projected business impact. The tool facilitates the systematic transformation of legacy codebases, ensuring the preservation of critical business logic and continuity as systems are modernized to current frameworks. Furthermore, Claude Code demonstrates proficiency in creating automated unit tests for refactored code, pinpointing areas with insufficient test coverage, and aiding in the development of regression tests to ensure stability. In addition to modernization, Claude Code plays a crucial role in identifying and rectifying security vulnerabilities within legacy systems, ensuring compliance with embedded regulatory patterns. It also assists in generating modern, comprehensive documentation from previously undocumented legacy code, thereby capturing invaluable institutional knowledge before it is lost. Case studies and resources, such as webinars focusing on Claude Code for financial services, dedicated ebooks, and guides on getting started, are available to showcase its practical applications and facilitate adoption. Claude Code offers a powerful solution for tackling the challenges of aging software systems. That's all the news for today, but stick around for a quick recap of the biggest stories and our call to action. And that's a wrap on another electrifying episode of ChatGPT Insights. We saw Anthropic secure a colossal $13 billion funding round, skyrocketing its valuation to $183 billion, signaling massive investor confidence. Then, we explored how Claude Code is ushering in a new era of agentic programming, fundamentally changing software development. We also covered Anthropic's valuation surge to $170 billion amidst the intense AI arms race, highlighting the global investment in AI. Finally, we learned how Claude Code is accelerating code modernization for enterprises, tackling technical debt head-on. If you found these insights valuable, please smash that like button, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for more cutting-edge AI news, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure to follow us on all social media platforms to stay connected. Thanks for watching.